I've been polishing concrete and doing coatings for 18 years. And in this short video, I want to share with you some secrets and some techniques that I've incorporated that it took 18 years to really dial in and get things kind of figured out. And in this short video, I want to demonstrate the systems that I use for patching, mainly for polishing, but I also use this patching system for a lot of my underlayments and my toppies. And what I've got here today that I'm showing a quick demonstration on is this Match Patch Pro system. It's a 3-component system that I use for patching that you can color match any patch. So if I'm polishing concrete and I want to blend in, spalls and patches, like you can see in here from carpet tack strips, big foundational cracks going through the foundation. In this particular case, I'm not so much worried about doing a color match. I want to benefit from the durability and the bondability of the material for my underlayment. So it's really crucial, and sometimes it gets overlooked. And in here, I take this real serious, and that's why I use the Match Patch Pro 3-component system. So in here, this was a spalled out area where literally the concrete throughout this entire project is delaminating. So what we did is we went through, took out the loose areas, and then used this system, which actually increased the compressive strength and actually built integrity right into the foundation. And it's just as simple, it's a 3-component system, and then you add your own locally sourced sand. So in cement, there's a lot of cement sand. So I'm just simply using sand to do the blending. So this is just locally sourced sand that I put into this 3-component Match Patch Pro system. So patching is very crucial when you're doing coating systems, and really getting a dialed, color matched patch for your polishing is really important for the client, because when you're polishing, you want your patches to blend in with the concrete as much as you possibly can. And that's another thing about the Match Patch Pro system is they come with this nice grout color stick, so you can go through and you can identify the colors of your cement, which also have a color formulation. So when you're mixing up your patches, you can customize every patch through the entire project. Another really cool part about the Match Patch Pro system and filling cracks is you can take blank cartridges and actually take the 3-component system and actually fill your own cartridges. And what's really nice about this is you have a way to control the amount of material that you use and also directly flow it into the areas. For example, on this crack has already been done, but by having the material in here, it mixes through the stator. And as I'm filling it into the crack, it's penetrating deep into the crack, creating a superior bond, keeping the material isolated, not wasting any material. And this is really cutting edge. There's not a lot of systems or companies out here that promote the way, because this actually has the cement in it. It's just not a 2-part urethane, it actually has the cement in it too, so you're getting the strength out of it. And you can also even fill in little spalls or divots using this methodology. So it's definitely the future of patching. You said always hold it down, right?
Yep.
Don't hold it up.
I usually just put my finger over it just because it's such a low viscosity that wants to run out the end. But you do have more time.